A rare chance to own a genuine 1870s farmhouse on 7+ beautiful acres, ready for restoration, homesteading, or turning into your dream modern country retreat. This historic home spans over 3,000 square feet and carries all the timeless character of its era, offering 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. Whether you're envisioning a full renovation, a modern farmhouse transformation, or bringing back its original charm, the solid structure gives you the perfect foundation to build upon. property itself is what truly sets this opportunity apart. With more than 7 completely usable acres, you'll enjoy open pastures ideal for horses, livestock, gardens, or simply wide open space to call your own. A peaceful creek runs through the land, paired with a natural spring that enhances both beauty and utility. A wooded area offers privacy, seclusion, and excellent hunting potential. An ideal blend for anyone seeking outdoor freedom combined with everyday convenience. The farmhouse includes an attached carport and is currently heated with gas heaters, giving you flexibility as you plan your updates. Whether you dream of creating a mini farm, starting a homestead, or having plenty of land for recreation and relaxation, this property supports it all. Located in the sought-after Fairview community, you'll experience the quiet charm of country living while still enjoying quick access to everything you need. Downtown Galax, the Blue Ridge Parkway, local festivals, and beloved area attractions are all just minutes away. If you've been searching for a project with potential, land with beauty, and a home with true history, this is the moment to seize it. Opportunities like this don't come often.